I'm not spending too much time worrying about tariffs. I don't think they're being well managed. It's not clear that there's much strategy. Every day there seems to be a new set of them or something gets modified. When you see a headline that Trump has backtracked on tariffs, you have to check the date and even the time. What has he backtracked on? The tariffs or a subsequent modification? I think ultimately if we get countries to take back more of their illegal immigrants, if we can curb the illegal drug trade, it could turn out to have been worthwhile. Often with Trump there's a useful policy goal, like getting the Europeans to spend more on defense, but the method of getting there can make you uncomfortable. The reason I'm not too worried about tariffs is that midstream energy infrastructure isn't that vulnerable. The stocks may get whipped around with the market, but it's volumes, not prices, for pipelines. We're going to drive and fly more or less the same. We're going to use more electricity because of data centers, and we're going to export more natural gas. I don't see import taxes, or tariffs as the White House likes to call them, changing that. The companies we invest in aren't revising their outlook because of the daily tariff trauma. Natural gas infrastructure companies have solid fundamentals. Leverage has been coming down. Cash flow is growing. They're raising dividends and buying back stock. To me, the market turmoil just makes them more attractive. The market is pricing in at least 2 rate cuts now by the end of the year. Midstream dividend yields of around 4.5% will look increasingly competitive. And as we saw in 2022, when inflation spiked to 9%, many pipeline contracts are linked to PPI, so they have an inbuilt inflation hedge. The world is going to buy more natural gas from America. Energy is the president's favorite sector. The energy transition we're experiencing has nothing to do with solar and wind. It's the natural gas energy transition, and America is leading the way. You often hear the White House say that one solution to tariffs is for other countries to buy more American oil and gas. To be invested in midstream energy infrastructure means you're aligned with government policy. I doubt many countries will put tariffs on our energy exports. Everyone wants cheap energy like we have in America. If you're interested in learning more about the energy sector and interest rates, then don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Our handles are in the description box below. To find out more about what we're thinking, you can sign up for our twice-weekly blog at sl-advisors.com. If you have any questions you'd like answered in this video, then please leave them down below. I'm Simon Lack. Thank you for watching this video.